Welcome to Techie Dialogue. Today, we will learn how to edit software exe file, and I'll guide you through every step in a simple and easy way. Step 1. First, you need to locate the exe file on your computer. Right-click on it and check its properties so you know which file you are working with. This is important to ensure you are editing the correct software file. Step 2. Open any web browser and search for Ryzo Editor. Click on the official website and download either the installer or the portable version. Step 3. Once downloaded, open the software. You will see a user interface with different options to view and modify files inside the exe. This software lets you explore resources, strings, icons, and other elements inside your exe file. Step 4. Drag and drop your exe file into Ryzo Editor. Now you can see all the folders and files contained within the exe. Select the file or resource you want to modify, and click on the Edit option to make changes. You can delete, rename, or modify text and resources as needed. Step 5. After making your changes, click the Save or Compile button to apply the edits to the exe file. Now your exe file has been successfully modified and is ready to use. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more tutorials.